guys, today we will code a Python program to convert items in a list to a single string. For that, first we will declare a list and initialize it with adding some values and also see and also declare a string variable, let's say alphabets, to hold elements in list and initially we will initialize it with empty string. Next, we will loop through our list for item in list and join each item in list with our string means alphabets. Now at the end of loop, as loop iteration finishes, at the end of loop contain alphabets is a single list containing all elements of list. So print alphabets, so we can see that our string alphabets containing each element of list. So that's it for today. We'll come to you with next video. Thanks and have a nice day.